This stunning home is located in the gated Lakewood Ranch Country Club East, offers luxurious living with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an office/den. The pocketing sliding door seamlessly connects the interior to a beautiful lanai featuring a sparkling heated pool and spa, a fully stocked outdoor kitchen with a new grill, 2023, an island bar with granite countertops, and new noise and bug screens, all overlooking a serene water view. Inside, the home boasts engineered hardwood floors and a recently renovated kitchen, complete with new lighting, a stylish backsplash, quartz countertops, and modern appliances from 2021 or newer. The master bedroom is a true retreat with his and hers walk-in closets, dual vanities with updated lighting, a private water closet, and windows framing the picturesque water view. Noteworthy upgrades include plantation shutters in the master bedroom, office/den, and living area, a pool heater, 2019, new toilets, new fans in the living room and office, freshly painted main areas, and a roof cleaning in 2021. This home is nestled in a community that offers an array of amenities, including 3 pools, 2 clubhouses, a fitness center, and dog parks. Optional membership grants access to 4 renowned golf courses, pickleball and tennis courts, and 3 restaurants. Centrally located near fine dining and shopping at Waterside Place, UTC Mall, downtown, and with easy access to Sarasota and Tampa airports, as well as the nation's most beautiful beaches, this home combines luxury, convenience, and style.